In most organizations, non-technical team members struggle to access and use data. Our goal is to enable anyone to query databases using natural language and receive smart answers. Traditionally, development teams had to manage Docker builds, cloud configurations, and complex security settings. This made progress slow and innovation difficult. Thanks to AWS AgentCore, we can now bridge this gap. AgentCore is a managed service from AWS that automates the full AI deployment process. We use AgentCore to deploy our DynamoDB MCP server and connect it with Jarvis, our AI product. With the Amazon Bedrock AgentCore, previously complex steps like Docker builds, ECR uploads, and runtime setup are replaced with a single command. The process of deploying MCP with AgentCore is pretty simple. First, with AgentCore Configure, it will start a guided prompt workflow where you just need to provide some basic info, such as your MCP server entry point, IAM role, ECR repo, etc. AWS will automatically create them for you if you skip these inputs. After configuration, we can deploy our server with AgentCore Launch. This command will automate the process of building a Docker container with your server, pushing it to Amazon ECR, creating an Amazon Bedrock AgentCore runtime, and deploying your server to AWS. After deployment, you can log in to your AWS account and go to AgentCore page, where you'll have access to the observability dashboard, CloudWatch logs, and update the configuration of the runtime host. After continuous iteration, we achieved over 95% accuracy in natural language query translation. With AgentCore automation, anyone can now interact with complex data using simple language. Let's look at how it is used in the healthcare industry. As a member of the compliance or finance team, you might need to review physician payment records. With Jarvis, you can instantly generate a ranked list of physicians by payment amount and see all the payment details. This helps your company strengthen compliance and transparency. For a social media specialist, Jarvis can assess engagement metrics across physician tweets, identify which campaigns or posts perform best, and visualize key performance indicators. The platform makes it easy to generate the charts you need and share interactive reports with your team. From secure infrastructure to intelligent analysis, AgentCore is what enables this powerful, intuitive experience for every user. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing how AI continues to transform industries and empower users.